My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today is going to be another unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing another Boxycharm Base Box, and I'm also going to be unboxing Boxycharm Premium. Boxycharm Base Box is $25, Premium is $35. For Base Box, you are supposed to get products greater than $125 retail value, and for Premium, it's $175 retail value. So, if you would like to see what I got in these boxes, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and, you know, just hang out, subscribe, watch a few other videos, you know, just chill. Alright, let's get into the video. So I will leave timestamps below in case you just want to see like the premium or you just want to see the base box for your convenience. So I'm going to start out with my base box. The first one I opened I was really happy with, so let's see how this one lives up. The first product is this QMS Medic Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Okay, a lightweight, sheer, color-adaptive cream with vitamins helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing, even skin. The combination of a skin-perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. Huh. Now, I'm not one who typically likes BB creams or tinted moisturizers, but this is supposed to retail for $105, so I'm very curious as to what $105 day cream is like. It doesn't even have a color or anything on it. So here is what it looks like. Oh, that is way too dark for me. Way too dark. I mean, it does feel hydrating. Definitely sheer coverage, but like, how are they gonna make a tinted day cream and then not have like any sort of shade range? Okay, well, that's $105 wasted. Alright, the next product is this Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. So it says 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss. So this retails for $36. And if I can open it, we will see what it looks like. Let's see this bad boy. Oh, that's actually a lot prettier than I was expecting. I like how it has, you know, these light mattes for transition colors, and then it also has these pretty shimmers. That's a really pretty palette. Okay, next is this Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam. So, cleansing foam containing real charcoal powder purifies skins, and the patented botanical ingredient calms and tightens pores. Okay, wow, this is 5.07 ounces, and this retails for $24. So, I got a product from this brand in a Boxycharm last month. I don't remember what it was. I don't think I tried it. But I will try this and we'll see how that goes. Alright, the next item is this Morphe I Got This brush set. Okay, so we have 4 brushes. We have an oval shadow brush, a Pro Firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush. Okay. This is the first time that I have gotten Morphe in a Boxycharm. Okay, I'm not mad at you. This retails for $12. Okay. And the last product is this Real Her Definer Brow Pencil. And does this have a shade? Apparently not. Okay, this retails for $16. Yeah, it doesn't say a color or anything. What is with like these one size fits all colors? Because yeah, that's not how it works in the real world. So fortunately, a brow pencil, I can work with, but foundation or tinted cream, no. That's a nice pretty brown. Okay, I like the pencil. It's not too creamy and not too hard, like right in the middle, how I like it. All right, so I don't remember if I said that, but it retails for $16. So let me add up the retail value of the Boxycharm Base Box. So the total retail value for my base box was $193. But keep in mind that that tinted day cream was 105 of it. So the rest of it was 90. And if you are curious, the variation of this box is number 36. All right, let's get into this bad boy here, my Boxycharm Premium. Okay. Yay! I missed my choice, so I really hope I get some good stuff, and I think I'm going to. So the first product I got is this Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. So, oh my gosh, I love this product to death. This is a full size 1 ounce, and this retails for $85. Advanced Strength Retinoid Serum delivers a 6.5 solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. So it helps to improve the appearance of aging or damaged skin, while Hawaiian white honey, bisabolo, cactus extract, and ginger balance and soothe the skin for the appearance of a calmer, even-toned complexion. Oh, I love my Sunday Riley. Thank you, Boxycharm. The next product is, we have this Ciate London The Editor palette. So is this an eyeshadow palette? This retails for $32. Here is what it looks like. That's cute. Ooh. Okay. Wow, this is a pretty big palette. We have 18 shades, and we have a nice variety. We have, looks like 4 or 5 mattes, and then the rest are shimmer. Okay, that's a really pretty palette. Yay! The next product is this Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I have been wanting this, and this retails for $33. So it's a translucent powder. I mean, I don't really know what else I can tell you about it. Really pretty packaging, and I'm super excited to try this. Next is what? MAC Amplified Cream Lipstick. Okay, in Vegas Volt. I hope it's not orange like it looks. This retails for $19. Yeah, it kind of is. I really hope it comes off more of a coral. Yeah, it does. Thank God. Ooh, it's really pretty. And this is the first time that I've gotten MAC from Boxycharm as well. That is awesome. Alright, next is this Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer. Okay, this retails for $24. So it says, unlike other white colored lash primers, this black tinted formula blends with your mascara or can be worn alone for a natural lash look. Oh, I do like that. One thing that I'm not really fond of when it comes to eyelash primers is that they're white, and ooh, it's a really nice wand too. That's another thing with primers. Sometimes the wands are really weird, but this looks really nice. This retails for $24. Not sure if I mentioned that or not. And the last product is this After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator. Ooh, I really hope that, yes! So, you guys know that I make soaps, and what I've been doing is I have like a mesh thing that I'll put the soap in to help it lather, but then I can put it in here when I want to exfoliate. So this retails for $18. Okay, let's see what the total retail value is. Okay, so the total retail value is $178. the base box that I opened earlier in this video and my other base box had a higher retail value than my premium box. But even though it didn't have that high of a retail value, I am so happy with this box. I am excited about every single product in it. So let me know what you guys thought of my boxes. And my premium box variation was $48. And let me know what your favorite item in your Boxycharm was this month down in the comments below. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.